Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. We're so glad to have you here today. I'd like to thank my subscribers. I'd like to thank my new subscribers. We welcome you here to Peace, Love, and Joy. And I thank y'all for being with me today. And today we're going to do something really fun today. We're going to make two gift baskets for Valentine. Valentine is just around the corner. So start thinking about what you're going to get her or what you're going to or what you want. Just kind of tell them a little bit like I'd like this for Valentine's. If y'all like to know how I did these baskets, just stay tuned. I'll be right back and I'm going to show y'all just how I did it. Okay everyone, this is going to be so fast and so much fun. I have my plastic in and that just helps to build it up. Then I got my little threaded paper. I got pink and red, my little threaded paper that I'm going to use. And then, like I always do, I'm going to start with the big things first. So I'm going to start with my picture here. I'm going to put it in like so. Always put your big things in first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my cosmetic bag in. I'm going to go ahead and put my candy in. We're going to put this in like so. Go ahead and put our candle in. We're going to kind of put that in the front. Always have. And then we'll go ahead and put our Dove moisturizing cream in. We're going to kind of put it right there in the front. And I really didn't want this to cost no more than $5, but sometimes you can go over a little bit, and I probably did went over a little bit, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna put my little bird in. This has love. I'm gonna put him right there. And then always have your flowers. I had thought about making one for a male also because they need some love too. So if you would like to do one for a male, that's okay too. Okay, so this is my first basket. So men's, I didn't forget you. So we're gonna show y'all some love also for Valentine's. So these are all the things that I'm going to put in the basket for my husband or for your boyfriend or for your friend or however it is. I'm gonna make a basket also for Valentine's for men. Okay, so I have my little red tissue paper at the bottom. You can put it up a little. I went to Dollar Tree and I saw this truck. Men's love truck. Most men's love trucks. So I got them this truck. I think it's gonna be so fitting for it. Okay. And then I got them this little storage. I'm gonna put that red like so. And I love that pattern. And they came from the Dollar Tree. And my little truck came from the Dollar Tree also. Just gonna put it in like so. Okay. And then I got him some bath wash. I love this bath wash. It is so good. So if your husband, you think he might like it, it is called Crisp Coconut Black Pepper Scent. It smells so good. It's a bath wash. I'm gonna put that in here. Because men like to receive things also. And then I got him this cedarwood scent. It smells good too. You're gonna love this too. You're gonna love this. Okay, I'm gonna put this in with it. And then I also got some spray, some deodorant spray, and it's just whatever kind that they like, you know what they like. So just get them whatever you think they might like. This is from Paris. We're gonna put that in because we want him smelling good. Okay, and then I guess I'm putting everything in here that I love, but he loves it too. This this is cool water. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's cool water. It smells so good, y'all. If you have a man, give him some of this. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. And let's see. And I have some black. What's the name of this? This is black. My husband has so much cologne. This is by Kenny Cole. Kenny Cole. This smells good too. If you want him to be smelling good, put some of this in there too. So I'm going to stack this a little bit more. And I'm just going to put this in just like so. And it's just whatever you like for him to have for Valentine's. These just suggestions. And I got him some cold coffee. He loves cold coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that in there also. And his basket is full. Not last but least, they like flowers too. They might not never say they like flowers, but they like flowers too. So I got him a rose to put in his basket. So I'm gonna put this up in here somewhere, like so. And there we go. A basket's not hard to make, it's just whatever you want to put in it. I think that is so cute. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some more pictures close up, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap his up first. And the good thing about baskets, when you make your own, you know what they like, because most of the stores have all kind of junk in it that your husband might not even like, or you might not even like. So it's good when you can make your own. My husband, he doesn't even buy me candy he don't go in the store and just buy a box of candy. I go to the candy shop and I pick my own candy. Then that way that I don't have all that kind of chocolate that I don't like. So he takes me, most of the time we'll go out of town because we don't have a candy store here. So we'll go shopping out of town for my candy, and I get my own box and I put the candy that I want. I think it's so sweet. And I know y'all have some good husbands. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this with our pretty bow here. Before I do that, let me turn it. Make sure you kind of turn it a little bit. Yeah, and ladies, just kind of just tell them, just kind of what you like for Valentine's. Then they can just go and get what you want. These just ideals. You don't have to use this, but it's just this idea. Thank y'all for being with me today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. I'd like to thank y'all for just hanging out with me and watching me do all of these DIYs. But I think my next video is going to be a tablescape. I'm going to do a winter tablescape, so y'all look out for that. And it's some more DIYs I'm gonna be doing. So I got a lot on my plate this year. I got to play catch up. I only been doing this ever since I think it's last April, when things kind of shut down, and I just wanted something to do. So I'm gonna try my best to reach my 1,000 subscribers this year, I hope. But yeah, so I hope y'all try these at home. Okay, and that's all it is to it. So we'll see y'all the next time in the next project that we're gonna do. Y'all be safe and y'all be blessed, and happy Valentine. Almost. Bye bye.